Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to create the certificate manager in the AWS itself and the creating the host zone in the Route 53 AWS console itself. So I purchased the domain in the GoDaddy.com in the previous month. You can see in the left side, click on the domain. If you purchased on the GoDaddy, you have to purchase the domain before you creating the Route 53 or certificate. So you can see this is my domain in the godaddy.com, and go to your AWS console, type the Route 53. Here you can see the get started. Click on the get started. You can see the number of options, 6 options, and I'm going to select the create hosted zone because I have domain in the godaddy.com. So I selecting the create hosted zone, get started. Here you can see the domain name. Just copy and paste your domain and leave it as a recommended and optional. Just leaving as same as recommended. Create hosted zone. Once it's done, you can see a green color of the notification will pop up, and you can observe here there is only 2 records was entered defaultly. This thing we have to add in the godaddy.com. This name servers we have to add in the godaddy.com. By defaultly GoDaddy have their own DNS name servers. Click on the DNS on the below. Here you can see the name servers. Click on the domain and select the DNS and select the name servers. Here you have to select the change name servers. Select. Actually in the previous I did it, so I am deleting everything. I will use my own name servers. Select this option and select this record and copy this one by one. Copy and come back to your domain and paste it. Repeat the same thing till all the name servers to add in the godaddy.domain. Yeah, entered all 4 name servers and click on the save. Click on the continue. Once it's done, you can see the pop-up message success, your request is in progress. It takes some time to update in the name servers. Let's create the certificate. Come back to your AWS console, select the certificate manager, this option. Here in the right side you can see the request. Click on the request a public certificate. Click on the next. Here you can see the fully qualified domain name. So my domain is like this, you can see harishetty.xyz. So what I am going to give the wildcard star.my domain name, because this star is nothing but is a subdomain like app.arish, dev.arish, like that. You can use like that. And here I am going to validating my certificate through the DNS validation. You can also select email validation. So I am selecting a DNS validation. Once it's done, everything is done, click on the request on the right side below. Successfully requested certificate with ID. Yeah. Click on the certificates. Once you click on the certificates, you will have this certificate. Click on it and scroll down little bit. This option, domain 1, this option, you can see here in the route 53 record, there is no record I am adding manually. Just create record in the route 53. Click on this option. I am selecting this certificate. You can see here pending validation. Click on the create records. You can see the notification in the green. Let's refresh it here. You can see the C name is added automatically from the certificate manager to the route 53 record. Let's come back to your certificate. You can see here pending validation, type is Amazon issued and status is pending validation. It takes some time to issue the certificate and verifying it, so I have to pause the video for some time. I will come back once it done. You can see the time, it is 4:47 p.m. I will come back when it's done. Actually, the issue of the certification is got a green tick mark, so it almost taken a 1 hour to complete or issue my certificate. In some cases it may go up to 1 day, in some cases it may go to 10 minutes or half an hour, like that. So in my case it goes up to 1 hour. So to test this route 53, who came here for the to learn this certificate and the route 53 for the project related, so this portion is enough to watch the video. So this is the bonus tip to understand the route 53 who don't know to add the route 53. So right now I have the one website hosted in the EC2 instance. You can see here in the security group you have to enable 80 and the 443, because 80 is the HTTP and 443 is the HTTPS. And let's try to access it through the web. You can see here I can access through the IP address. So I have to access through this my domain, right? So come back to your route 53 here and see here there is only 3 records is available in this records, a route 53 records. So click on the route create record. Here what I am in the subdomain I am leaving it as keep blank to create a record for the root domain, so I am leaving as same. In the value I am just pasting the public IP. What you got here, the public IP, the same you have to put in the value public IP. Everything is same, and the simple routing create records. Here you can see the one fresh record is A, type A, and the routing is simple and the public IP. Let's try to access from my domain. Just copy this thing, copy and paste it here. Sorry. You can see I am accessing through the domain, full qualified domain. So you can see here, don't get confusion here. The connection is secure because I installed the Let's Encrypt. This is not done by the AWS certificate, this is done by the Let's Encrypt. AWS certificate is not support on the EC2 instance what you hosted in the local machine. So it supports only in the ALB or CloudFront, like that. You can see in the ChatGPT I given a prompt here. ACM certificate only works directly with the AWS managed service like load balancer, ALB and the CloudFront API gateway, like that. they can't be directly installed on the EC2 instance NGINX because ACM does not give you private key. So what I did, I installed this command in my machine and executed this, and here I pasted my domain. Once it done, I got this HTTPS encryption. This is a simple video to understand the ACM and the Route 53 and the GoDaddy, and little bit knowledge about the adding the record in the record of the your hosted NGINX website. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.